Tracy immediately started explaining to the officers what he had been doing just prior to his wife's death. He said he had left his wife sitting in the driveway to go to the store and pick up some snacks around 10 p.m. And if you're like us, you're probably thinking, who goes to the store to get snacks at 10 p.m.?
I mean, I know if I'm in my house at 10 p.m., I'm likely in pajamas and would only leave for a medical emergency, which, is a little glimpse into my exciting life.
Hmm. I mean, I'm boring and rigid as hell unless it's an emergency or planned in advance. I'm not spontaneously leaving my house during the day or night.
I mean, being a planner isn't a bad thing.
This is true.